In this video, I want to share with you 7 low competition St. Patrick's Day niches and some free prompts to go along with those niches that you can use for your merch on demand business. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print on demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch on demand and other print on demand platforms. If you like this kind of content, you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you those 7 low competition St. Patrick's Day niches and free prompts, just want to do a quick sales update for merch on demand. So today is Monday, February 17th, 6:48 a.m., sitting at 0 sales. But yesterday I had a pretty good day. I did 48 sales, $61 in royalties. The day before that was actually pretty rough because I had almost more returns than royalties. So 12 returns, 12 royalties. Just had a low day in sales. But the reason why I liked yesterday so much because I actually had 0 returns. So that was really nice to see. But that is going to put me at 705 sales for the month and $905 in royalties for the month of February. Now, if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both merch on demand and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, family pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 19 years. Okay, so now that we got the intro out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. All right, so we got St. Patrick's Day coming up, and this is a huge niche every year on merch on demand. There's going to be a lot of people searching for St. Patrick's Day t-shirts, and us as merch on demand sellers, we want to take advantage of that traffic and try to make as many sales and royalties as possible. So here we can see that St. Patrick's Day this year is going to be on Monday, March 17th. 2025. And if you want access to the free prompts, you can just click on the link in the description. It's this one right here, 7 trending, actually it should be 7 low competition. I need to change that. 7 low competition St. Patrick's Day prompts and niches. You can get it for free. I'm also running a 50% off sale on my whole shop. So some ones that would make sense would be like these bundles, because these are already discounted because they're a bundle, but they're also on 50% off. So you can get 500 evergreen prompts for only $12.50, 175 sports prompts for only $9.50. So some good deals there. Some ones that would also make some sense, if I could just get rid of my face here, are going to be like some evergreen prompts, holiday prompts. So we got some more St. Patrick's Day prompts right here, but we also have like Mardi Gras, 4th of July, 75 back to school day prompts, monthly prompts. So if you want 100 niches or 100 prompts that will be trending in March, you can just click on this button right here and you can see like all the prompts that I have for April, March, July, things like that, wall art, and then free prompts. So if you want more free prompts, you can just come in here. So check that out if you're interested. But now let's go ahead and take a look at those prompts for St. Patrick's Day. So here they are right here, and this is the Word file when you download it. So let's go ahead and take a look at the first one. So the first low competition St. Patrick's Day niche to have for you is going to be this one right here, which is St. Patrick's Day birthday. So happy St. Patrick's Day, and yes, it's my birthday. This is actually how the prompt came out. I think this was actually one of the nicest ones. I mean, look how nice this design is. Happy St. Patrick's Day, and yes, it's my birthday. One way you can actually even niche down in this is to focus on like specific birthday years. So happy St. Patrick's Day, and yes, it's my 40th birthday, 50th birthday, 60th birthday, 21st birthday. That's a big one in the United States because that's when you can start drinking. And if we go to good old Merch Dominator, and if we click on the product search, and let's just go ahead and type in, oh whoops, I think I clicked the wrong one. It's supposed to be this one. I want to get the birthday one. And let's type that in. Okay, there we go. Try and get a look at the competition. Only 213 results. And again, if you were to niche this down to like specific birthdays, like 40, 50, 60, 20, 21, like I said, you're going to get even more lower in competition. But 213, it matches up with Productor right here. We can see that these are selling. So that's a good first one right there. And just the design is super, super nice. Let's go back and appreciate that for a second. Okay, next one is going to be this one right here, which is going to be, so St. Patrick's Day and pregnancy, little leprechaun inside. So this is for women who are pregnant, they're expecting. So let's go ahead and take a look at this one. So I actually made 2 prompts for this one. So little leprechaun inside right here. One thing that you can do maybe is just make everything white, so even the clover, and then just put it on like a Kelly green t-shirt, you know, because everybody wears green on St. Patrick's Day so you don't get pinched. Or maybe if you want to go with black, I would maybe make the leprechaun green like this. You can switch that out in the prompt. Let's go ahead and take a look at the second prompt for the same niche. So little leprechaun inside. So just kind of doing a different type of style. But this looks like a really nice design right here. And if we go to Merch Dominator, let's go ahead and take a look at the competition on that one. We're going to see that it is also low in competition, only 83 results. So kind of doing something like this. One quick note, you want to avoid using the word maternity in your title or bullet points description, because it's not a actual t-shirt for women who are pregnant. It's not like larger for her baby bump. So you just want to avoid using that word because it could get you a rejection. Let's go ahead and take a look at the next one. So next one is going to be right here. So third one, St. Patrick's Day newlyweds. So our first St. Patrick's as Mr. and Mrs. And this is actually a really popular niche with almost all holidays, whether it's like St. Valentine's Day or Christmas or Thanksgiving. It's celebrating newlyweds getting together, and they're celebrating their first holiday together as a couple. So let's go ahead and take a look at the design or the prompt for that one. So right here we got our first St. Patrick's Day as Mr. and Mrs. You got the wedding rings, you got the St. Patrick's Day 4-leaf clover. And if we go to Merch Dominator, take a look at the competition on this one, we're going to see, if I just take a quick sip of coffee, only 6 results. I mean, this is really low in competition. And let's see what some of the BSRs are. I think this one actually has a pretty good BSR right here. Well, actually not that good, but it will get lower as we get closer to St. Patrick's Day. Next low competition St. Patrick's Day niche is going to be, so these next two are political ones, and these are ones that I just came up on my own. So these are, like I said, political, and it's I wish Trump was not president. So last year, if you guys remember, a lot of the, Biden was president, so everybody was making t-shirts saying, I wish Trump was president. So now we're doing the opposite. This is going to be for Democrats, people that are anti-Trump, saying, I wish Trump was not president. And I don't think there's any competition for this. This could be a gold mine right here. I almost kept this one for myself. Let's go ahead and take a look at the competition. Sorry, not the competition, the design. So something like this, I wish. So this is a play on words. Instead of saying I wish, we're saying Irish, like St. Patrick's Day. So I wish Trump was not president. I mean, that could be a really good one, especially for the Democrats and the liberals. There's probably no competition for it. Let's just take a quick look. I wish Trump was not president. Probably we're going to get a whole bunch of the ones from last year that pop up here, saying I wish Trump was our president. So these are all from last year. So this could be a really good one. But I even have a better next one right here, which is this one for Kamala Harris. Now, me personally, I don't know if I'd feel comfortable doing the Trump one, but the Kamala one, I'd be a little nervous because I just have a rule where I don't upload any designs that has people's names. But if you are someone who was uploading Kamala Harris designs last year during the election and you're comfortable uploading designs using her name, then this one is going to be a banger right here. I wish Kamala was president. So it's kind of like a knockoff from last year with the Trump one saying I wish Trump was president, but this time we're using Kamala. So again, this is another one for liberals, for Democrats, saying I wish Kamala was president. This right here, I think, could make a whole bunch of money. Again, in my opinion, it is a little risky. I would not upload this because it would just keep me up at night because I'm paranoid. And again, I have that rule where I don't use anybody's names. But this one right here could do really well. If I was confident uploading Kamala shirts, what I would do is I would make like 20 different variations of this. So I would look up like other Kamala designs, and I would see how I could, integrate or cross niche, St. Patrick's Day style, like with, green font, 4-leaf clovers, and integrate it with like, all those Kamala designs that we saw last year. Like we saw a lot of the comma, maybe even like a cat lady or something like that. But this one could be a banger. Again, me personally, I'm not going to upload this because it would make me paranoid, keep me up at night. But if you are comfortable uploading Kamala t-shirts, this one I think will definitely get some sales, but with caution. All right. So that's another one right there. Here we got, so the last two is going to be I prefer the 7-leaf clover. So this is taking marijuana and cross-niching it with St. Patrick's Day. So here we got I prefer the 7-leaf clover, nice clean design with a little distress in the font. And if we take a look at the competition for this one, there's also another one where it says like a wee bit Irish or Hirish, a wee bit Hirish. That's another one, but look, only 6 results. Should have some BSRs like this one right here. Has a review, so it's getting some sales. And again, as we get closer to St. Patrick's Day, the BSRs are going to get even lower. So that's the 6th one. And then I have this last one right here, the man behind the shamrock. So this is another like pregnancy one. And if we take a look at the design or the prompt for that one on ideogram, we're going to see that it looks like this right here, the man behind the shamrock. So we've seen this design style do well for like Thanksgiving, for Halloween, like the man behind the pumpkin. It has like 2 fists pointing back like that. I just couldn't get the fist to point back like that. I could just get it like pointing up like this, so it didn't really look right. Maybe you can get it done, but we also seen this for Thanksgiving, you know, the man behind the turkey, or the man who put the turkey in the oven, or something like that. So here we're taking that design style and we're using it with St. Patrick's Day. So the man behind the shamrock, so the man would be wearing this t-shirt, basically celebrating that, you know, his wife or girlfriend is pregnant. Okay, so that is going to be the 7th one right there. And again, you can get all of these prompts for free just clicking on this link right here. The link will be in the description. So if you're interested, go ahead and take a look at those. Now, if you're serious about taking your merch on demand business to the next level, I want to share with you a niche service that I am offering. So I now have a SKOOL community. If you don't know what SKOOL is, it's basically a paid Facebook group, but on steroids. So here it is right here. And basically what I offer is daily trending and evergreen niches. It's called Mikey's Daily Niche Vault because every day I'm giving you guys niches, both trending and evergreen. So it just kind of depends like what's going on in the market. But like here are just a few examples. So like from 6 days ago, trending niches for February 11th. So I believe I was able to find 2 trending niches that I thought had value and were safe. So this one right here, I voted for that. So what you get is the niche or the keywords, a link to a design that is similar that was recently uploaded and selling, and the prompt. So you get niches and prompts. Here's another one, Baptized 2025. Comes with the prompt and the link. I also have to put a disclaimer in there as well. But here are the designs, so you can go ahead and see what the designs or the prompts look like, or the designs from the prompts. I always get that mixed up. So I voted for that. Baptized 2025. So that is an example of 2 niches. Sometimes there's 1 niche, 2 niche, 3 trending niches. Sometimes there's none. I just evergreen niches. Like I said, just depends what's trending. So here we got some trending niches. I believe this was just 1 trending niche. So what I did is I offered different variations or different prompt styles. So it was proud daughter of Mexican immigrants. Here's the link. And then here are 3 different prompts. So you're going to see prompt 1, prompt 2. Or prompt 1, 2, and 3, and then this is what the designs look like. So if you're looking for, you know, if you have a hard time coming up with niche ideas, you know, consider joining my SKOOL community. It's only $24 a month or 80 cents a day to get daily trending and evergreen niches and prompts to go along with those niches. And what's also really cool that you also get is above and beyond is you get access to all my GPTs. So let me show you that. So here are all my GPTs. I currently have 4, just actually added one yesterday. Now to have access to these, you have to have a paid plus account with ChatGPT. That's $20 a month, so that's above and beyond. That's separate. There's no way I can get around that. But if you already have a paid ChatGPT account or a plus one, you get access to all of my GPTs. And so this one right here, SEO Keyword Vault, this one's really cool because you can just type in or just upload any type of design and it will actually give you so let's just go with, let's just find one real quick. So let me just show you how it works real quick. So you can take a screenshot, or you can just type in a niche and it's going to give you a title, a bullet. Oh, why does it keep doing that? Sorry. You go like this, ChatGPT. Like I said, you can type in a niche or just upload a file. And it's going to give you a title, brand, bullet 1, bullet 2, and a really good description. And this is loaded with keywords. And if you're like me, you're not really good at doing SEO research. Now you do have to double check for trademarks because it's not 100% perfect, but so far I haven't had any issues. So here it gives you 5 title options. It gives you a brand name. It gives you bullet 1, bullet 2, and it's going to give you a really nice description right here. So these are all loaded with keywords. So like, let's see if we can find some good ones. Cannabis culture, marijuana. Let's see. You can actually ask it to even type in more keywords. So can you make the description longer with more SEO keywords? And we'll actually give you like a couple more paragraphs. Here we go, 420, THC, CBH. So you can see, just does a really good job. So you get access to all of my GPTs. The next one is actually for prompts. So what you can do with this one is you can actually, so not everybody's uploading like the same prompt or the same design. What you can do here is with this one, you can get different design ideas. So you just upload a design or type in a niche or whatever you want to upload, and it'll actually give you 9 different prompts. So right here we're seeing it's giving us some similar theme but unique design, and it should give us 9. So yeah, so 3 sets. So here's giving us all these prompts, and what you can do is you can just copy and paste these, put them into ideogram, and get some different design styles. It's going to give you different design styles, different design phrases, and different design themes. And then I also have a GPT for keywords for your Amazon campaign, Amazon ad campaigns. And the one I made just yesterday is actually for cross niching. I'm actually going to make a video about this on Wednesday, so I'll just kind of stay quiet about that one. But yeah, so if you're interested, you can sign up for my SKOOL community. Like I said, it's only $24 a month or 80 cents a day, and you get access to all this right here. So if you're interested, sign up. If not, it's all good. I will continue making free content for you guys on YouTube. But let me know what you guys think about those low competition niches, especially the present one. Let me know what you guys think about the Trump one and the Kamala one. I think those can be some bangers. Again, a little bit on the risky side, but if you are comfortable with those niches, I think they could make you some good dinero. All right, so thanks so much for watching. Make sure to watch this video next, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.